5, 4, 3, start. The Standing Committee was of the opinion that laws like the right of citizens for time-bound delivery of goods and services and redressal of their grievances Bill 2011 and the Whistleblowers Protection Act Bill 2011 pending in Parliament should be enacted. Stop. This would address concerns of persons forced to give bribes to access services from the state and encourage them to report acts of corruption respectively. Stop. This means there is no dearth of anti-corruption legislation at your disposal, but the fact is that you are not applying those anti-corruption legislative instruments that you have in your possession. Stop. There lies the lacuna which needs to be rectified, which needs to be corrected. Stop. Stanza. You have not defined corruption and corrupt practices anywhere in the bill. Stop. The Second Administrative Reforms Commission has recommended classification of distortion and democratic institution and violation of oath of office as acts of corruption, but they are not included in the amended bill. Stop. Phrases such as relevant expectation and improper performance are vague and subject to abuse when variedly interpreted. Stop. You have already mentioned that there are two types of bribe givers. The first is consensual and the other is under coercion. Stop. But you should differentiate both types of bribe giving episodes. Stop. You cannot treat them under the same umbrella. Stop. In the US, there is a protection for the coercive bribe. Stop. So you should also apply this kind of immunity to exempt those people from being punished. Stop. Stanza. Currently, known source of income are limited only to those which have been intimated in accordance with the provision of any law, rules or orders for the time being applicable to a public servant. Stop. The provision was made in 1998 in order to cover an earlier loophole. Many accused persons would cite fresh sources of income at the time of trial, resulting in acquittal in a large number of disproportionate asset cases. Stop. Strangely, the government proposes to delete this requirement without recommendation to this effect from the stakeholder. Stop. Thus, the big offenders have secured a vital escape route for themselves. Stop. The civil servant lobby has managed to bring the single directive. Stop. This refers to an older government order. The order may be older that no senior officer could be investigated without permission from the government. Stop. Stanza. You have also referred to it. Stop. In the famous Vineet Narain judgment, the Supreme Court in 1997 had held this order as illegal. Stop. The government brought it back this time as provision of law in 2003. Stop. Finally, as recently as 2014, a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court held that this provision was unconstitutional. Stop. I would reiterate, as recently as 2014, a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court held that this provision was unconstitutional as it has violated the right to equality. Stop. This immunity clause is back for the third time. Stop. Stanza. Sir, your colleague also cited that a sinister design is being committed by this government to dilute the efficacy aspect of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Stop. Under the 1988 Act, a public servant can be punished for accepting the attempting to obtain any reward for performing his public function improperly. Stop. However, the 2015 Amendment Bill creates an exception in the aforementioned section wherein if a public servant does not perform a public function or activity dishonestly. Stop. Over.